Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're going on an adventure today. We're going to take a 1970 flatbed pickup down the road. It's got a small block 350 in it. Aftermarket set of wheels and tires. They put that flatbed on the back. It's definitely got a unique look. The gas tank is a keg in the bed. Should be a fun little test drive. Anything that I see, I'm gonna point out. So if I see something wrong with the truck, we're gonna talk about it, go over it, take it down the road. All right, guys, hit up maplemotors.com, check us out. 100 detailed pictures, financing options, and transportation options. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Hey guys, I was gonna look around the interior, but it's pretty basic. It's like your old classic truck. Panel looks pretty good. Dash is in good shape. The windshield wiper switch is missing here. I think I'm turning it, but I don't think they're cutting on, so we're gonna say they don't work. It does have an aftermarket steering wheel. The seats are aftermarket as well, and they got a lot of cushion in them. If you're a real tall person, you're gonna have to take some of that foam out or figure out a way to lower the seats, because I've only got about 4 inches of headroom here. We do have an armrest with cup holders, so that's something you didn't have. We'll leave that up. I'm looking for seat belts real quick. Do have that. But they're buckled all backwards, so I'm gonna have to run this back around. There we go. Whoever had it before wasn't using it. Between me and you, I forgot I left this running next door. I went over there and was working on some other videos. Of course, I didn't tell them. But I left it running for like 30 minutes, and I come over here, I was like, oh, the temperature never went over 180. Still running. I never cut it off. Which, something I forgot. I'm gonna cut it off and start it up for you. It started up really easily in the lot, so there's no issues with that. Like I said, I feel like I'm sitting on top of the world, way up in the air. I'm almost above the windshield. A little bit bumpy. We're going straight down the road right now. Not having any issues there. That door over there doesn't seem like it's closed all the way, so I'm gonna pull over and try to close it. That way you're not hearing a bunch of rattling the whole time we're driving down the road. There it goes, nice and tight now. Put my seatbelt back on so I don't get ran over. Guess you could slouch down in the seat. This makes it a lot better. Because me, I take this tent strip. It's got double tents on here, darker up top, a little lighter at the bottom. Probably for this reason. Alright. The turn signal itself is not popping up in the dash there. Speedometer looks pretty accurate, showing 22,000 miles. Of course, I can't stand behind that. Photos will be changed out. Same with the dashes. A little bit bumpy though. The truck's been lowered. I mean, it's not banging me all around or anything, but that wasn't a very big bump on the road we just went over. So the suspension is a little bit bumpy. We do have the face to the radio in the office. Looks like it's got some aftermarket speakers added in here as well. steering, not a ton for these year trucks. Most of them do have a little bit of slack. But the power steering is working nice. Feels nice and smooth. Gas gauge does not work in this, but I did check. See the bumps? I did check the tank back there. You can look right down in it. It's just a keg. It's an Anheuser keg. It's just unique. Kick down on this one's not hooked up. Get some outside shots done. I'm going to use this Tellison scope here and put my GoPro on it. It's got an attachment on the bottom. I'll put this link in the bottom of the video here, so look in the description. If you want one of these, you can pick one up. Let's get these shots. That's the actual exhaust pipe on both sides. Put y'all up in the middle here. So far, so good. I mean, temperature's right at 200. We've been getting on it a little bit in the parking lot, driving around. Still bumpy. That's to be expected with this one. I got spooled with the COVID traffic. Everybody's coming back out now, which I'm happy. I hope everything gets back to normal. But it was a lot easier to make these videos without traffic. All right. Well, if you get a little too much wind up in here, I'm gonna roll my window up. That way y'all can still hear me and hear the truck. I don't know how much y'all can see through the tent up here. Over here with a big old bump in it. We're gonna hit that bump. I'm gonna try not to hit my hand. I don't think it's that bad, but we'll see. the middle of the road. That wasn't too bad. I'm about to head on back to the lot now. I'm going to do a walk around description video on the outside of this, show a lot of the unique stuff that they did to make this truck. Seems to run and drive pretty good to me. Pull back up over here. The only thing I would suggest for this, it would probably take away from the looks, is put a little bit better suspension on it, but that's probably going to lift it up and take away a lot of the looks that they tried to achieve here. So guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. The tag's not actually placed there, but I figured it was better than putting it on the paint. This is a magnet that we have. And yes, that is the gas tank. Check out MapleMotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, shipping information, financing options, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All we try to do up here is classic cars. These are all personals right in this area. That's all the lot that's for sale. Also, if you like my camera, you can check below in the link. I put the link to the same exact camera that I have and the tripods and stuff that I use for these videos. Just check down in the description down there. You can get our email address, our number, our website, everything. Any information you need should be down there below this video. Appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.